What's happening, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. I'm using Crystal's electric mountain bike today. Going up Turnbull Canyon. There's just three of us mid-drives here. Behind me is the BBS HD with John and also Eddie from our meetup group ride. Just the three of us in my favorite local trail. Let's get it. Our bikes can take it. Alrighty, I'll see you up there. Alright, BBS02. Let's go. Oh yeah. Whew, haven't been here in a while. Come on, Crystal's bike. It's adequate. It's all you need, guys. But if you're new in this channel, this is the bike I made Crystal. Luna Wolf 52 volts, mag wheels, 26er, BBS02 on a Trek 5? Trek Fuel 5 X series. Hopefully he's making it through. Alright, I'll check on him. It's not easy the first time. Alright, this way. Yes, sir. Everything okay? Okay. I think your tires might be a little more roady, I think. You know? Yeah. Have you gone off-road with it yet? No. Oh, this is your first time? Okay, with those tires. Okay.
Oh, is that a 27 and a half inch or 26?
26.
Looks like he's got room for 27 and a half.
It's always good to brief first-timers, because then, you know, they won't know what to expect. You don't want to discourage them this route. This ride is a beginner ride with some really nice views and a mix of single track and some jumps. Just really nice nature scenery, basically. Here we are. One of the break spots here, for sure. All right, John, we're gonna break here 2 minutes. Okay. Enjoy the maybe almost 360, but there's downtown LA for you. But yeah, just take it easy. We'll be waiting. It's just a quick drop right here. Just watch Eddie. Oh, here we go. His bike might not have grip. Oh, I'm not getting grip either. Whew. I know what it feels like to not have grip.
Right at the end, there's a little drop.
Take it easy. Nice. Good stuff. So it's the grip, huh? Yeah. The tires make a world of difference too. Yeah, I noticed that. Eddie, you don't mind leading? So just enjoy the scene. We're gonna be here for like 10 minutes or less. Here we go. It's a fire road. Breeze. Finally. It's like it was 90 degrees earlier, so here we go. It's nothing funner than going downhill on a fire road. In terms of like just watching the views, you know? Oh my gosh, where's my grip? Yeah, Crystal's bike is also not gripping. I feel like downhill, the wider your handlebars are, the better. The more control you have. I'm just realizing this. So I was saying earlier, I got a giant Anthem 29er, but it has tubeless tires, and I hate tubeless tires. It just doesn't work for me. It's just too much maintenance. It's always flat, and it's not good for jumping from my observations. It's always the impact of it is just not good. So my 29er bike, my 9er bike is currently in maintenance while I'm ordering tubes and I'm changing out the tires to something thicker, something more grip for off-roading. Here we go. Turn on my cowbell on Crystal's bike and trekking through the single track here. Gradually going up. That's my horn. Rider coming. I definitely recommend like a 2.3 at least thickness in terms of your tires. It just feels like you're much more in control. It feels like. Oh, we got some coyotes up ahead. But they're very skittish. They're already gone. This one is somewhat intermediate part. Because it's a steep grade. It looks scary at first, but just punch through it and you'll be fine with a mid-drive. You'll be alright. Dunzo. Nice, Eddie. I don't think he's gonna make it. It's not him, but I think it's the tires. It really makes a big difference, you know? No grip, huh? Yeah, it's okay. You know how to do the walk mode? Here, let me help you. Oh, we're here already. The walk mode is press and hold the the minus button, and you see it's walking by itself.
Thanks.
Yeah, we'll take a breather right here. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, I think it's the tires.
Yeah.
Like we heard you skidding, right?
A few moments later.
So John, there's gonna be about 11 of these. You could roll on it, you could release your brake and decide to jump on it, whatever you like, and take your time and just have fun. It's all downhill. And just give each other a little bit of space. Have fun. That's the main thing. Yeah, Eddie. You. Let's jump. Time to jump Crystal's bike. Woohoo! Yes, sir. Do the extra credit. Extra credit for Crystal's bike. Pop off here. Woo-hoo. Yes, sir. Missed this place. Woo-hoo. I don't see John in my rear view. I hope he's good.
Fun, huh? It's fun.
Yeah, I hope he's good.
Nice.
Nice.
Just good to do, like, that's what I did the first 3, 4, 5 times.
For sure. Not bad. Good.
It's good to do a pre-ride.
Yeah.
Before you try anything.
That was a pre-ride. Now, I always ask, would you like to do that again? You would?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to climb back up. And this time you can get a little bit more loose if you want. Now that you know what to expect, right? Darn. John's battery, I guess he didn't charge fully. It's already like down to 2 bars out of 5. That's not good. So he's going to rest it up. Eddie and I are going to try this jump one more time. Here we go. Round 2. Let's get it. Eddie's behind me. Let's proceed. Here we go. Let's climb this. All good, Eddie? Alrighty. Took it. Whew. Oh, there's a deer or a coyote. I saw it. I saw the body. Whew. Oh, there's a deer. There are deers. You. There was a deer. Did you see it? The deer?
Oh, was there?
There was like 2.
You're kidding.
That was the one making the rustling.
Yeah. Glad it wasn't a bear.
That was fun. Let's climb up to the water tower. Almost up there. And we're actually good in terms of sunset time. Here we go. Water tower. Hard way, easy way. We'll take the easy way. But yeah, we're actually early. Yeah, there's about 15 minutes left.
My headlights in case it gets dark.
Yeah. They just hang left here. Yeah. Here we go. This is my brake spot. Alright, yeah, we spent about 10 minutes, 15 minutes up here watching the sunset. Now the city lights are starting to turn on. And we're just getting ready to go downhill. Crystal's bike looks so cool. So much cooler than mine, I think. With her white mag wheels. She has her blue chainring from Walmart. Some lights. And let's roll.
Display on.
Okay.
You turn it off, turn it on again.
There's a nice drop here. I like to take that drop. That's pretty much it. Let's just fly downhill now. Alright, we got out of that trail. We're now just on pavement. And just about to descend Turnbull Canyon Road here, where a lot of road bikes race down the hill, or even just cars in general. So we're gonna make a left after this car, and then it should be easy breezy. Alright, that's gonna be today's ride, folks. Thank you for tuning in on today's e-bike adventure. I think John had some fun times. First time off-roading, he said. And yeah, we gotta get him some knobby tires, because that way he'll have much more enjoyable time on the trails. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.